Hey everybody, now we're in a 2004 Ford Mustang, and I'm going to just add a key. Already got it cut. I'm going to use the iM508 here to try to program it. So go to emo functions here. Yeah, just put the key to the on position, and I'm hooked up to the internet here. So I'm going to try to auto select the car here. And doing control unit, immobilizer, learning. We're going to do add a key. So, yep, we don't want to erase anything. Ignition's on. Okay, so right now there's 3 keys learned in it. Alright, and it already learned our new key here. So we don't want to learn any other keys. So we'll go ahead and escape out of this. And I'm going to unplug my tool here. And we'll see if this guy actually starts. Sorry guys, here the person who drives this car is a hell of a lot taller than me, so let me scooch forward here so I can hit the clutch. Our theft light went out, so it ought to work. There we go. Fired right up here, so it's our new key. Works perfectly. Car sounds sweet. So that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Questions, comments, put them in the comments, and I'll talk to everybody later.